Hello everyone, welcome to day 39 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this Celtic weave stitch. So this is kind of like a diagonal basket weave and it's done with front post and back post triple crochets. Okay, so now let's get right into the pattern. So the pattern demands each set of weave, it needs 4 stitches and we need one stitch at the start and the end. So we crochet multiples of 4 plus 2. I have done a foundation row of 22 stitches, and if you're making a chain and then a single crochet, you add one more to the turning chain as well. So if you're doing a foundation chain, then you do a foundation chain of multiple of 4 plus 3. If you're making a foundation single crochet, then you do a multiple of 4 plus 2. Okay, so now you chain 3, turn your work. We are going to be working triple crochets. So this is your turning chain. We are going to skip that base right here. Okay, so you're going to skip 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches, and then again you're going to skip 2 stitches. Okay, so in total you're skipping 6 bees and into the seventh one you're going to make 1 triple crochet and go on into the 8th one, make another triple crochet. Okay, so now we're going to create a weave. Yarn over and you're going to go into the skipped 2 stitches, that is after the turning chain and the first stitch, these 2 stitches right here. You're going to go ahead, go into the first stitch and make 1 triple crochet. Again go back into the second skipped stitch, which is right here, and make another triple crochet. Okay, so you can see we have kind of created the first weave, and now again yarn over twice, skip 2, make 2 triple crochets, and then again yarn over twice, come back first into the first stitch, make 1 triple crochet, and then again go back and into the second stitch, make another triple crochet. Okay, now again you continue to do this till the end of the row. Skip 2, make 2 triple crochets, Once you reach the end of the row, you'll have one stitch left, into which you'll be making one double crochet stitch. Again, you start off with a chain 3. This is going to count as one double crochet. Now, once you turn the work, into the first 2 stitches, you're going to create a back post triple crochet. That is these 2 stitches right here. You're going to create a back post triple crochet. So yarn over twice, insert your hook like this, push the post behind and pick up a loop, creating a back post triple crochet in those 2 stitches. This row is fully back post stitches, so that you get to maintain the pattern in one side. Okay, so now you're going to skip these 2 stitches and do the back post stitch into the next 2. We are going to come back to that once we are done with this. Okay, now we have to create a back post stitch into the stitches we just skipped. So you are supposed to do a back post stitch from this side, that is same. So if you're going to go like this, you're going to create the cross at the back. So you're going to kind of work from behind like this, pick up that stitch and create your back post triple crochet. The same thing with the other one as well. So go from behind, come back, push the post out and create a back post triple crochet. Okay, we have a knot here. Let me just handle the knot. Okay, again skip these 2 stitches. First complete the back post of the next 2. Okay, again yarn over twice. Let me give you a wider angle of that. Yarn over twice, and now you're going to kind of go behind like this and pick up the back post of the stitch that we just skipped. Again yarn over twice. We're going to create the back post of this stitch right here. So basically you create a crisscross pattern like this. Okay, I think once you see the other side you would understand. Okay, now again skip to create a back post triple crochet, and go from behind. Sorry. We're going to skip these 2 and we are going to create back post triple crochet into the next 2. Now we are going to create the back post stitch for these 2 stitches. Yarn over twice, go behind like this, pick up the first stitch that we just skipped, okay, and then do the same thing with the other one. I'm going to do this till the end of the row, and I'll meet you back once I reach here. So here we are at the end of the row. Now into the last stitch right here, we are going to make 1 double crochet, chain 3 and turn your work. Okay. Now into this we are going to skip 2 and make a front post triple crochet. So from here you would probably understand the stitch. Now again you're going to go ahead, make a front post triple crochet into those stitches that we just skipped, creating the Celtic weave pattern. Okay. Again we're going to skip these 2 stitches right here. These 2 stitches are done, so the next 2 are right here. We're going to skip those 2, pick up those loops at the back. So this is one set and this is the other set at the back. Make front post triple crochet stitches and then come back, do front post triple crochet stitches into the stitches that you just skipped. Okay, so that's it for the pattern. You can just continue doing this row after row and it's going to form this beautiful Celtic weave pattern. Okay, so do try out this stitch and I'll meet you back with yet another interesting crochet stitch tomorrow.